Here's how you save thousands when selling your home in South Sarasota County this summer. Hey everybody, it's Robin Vakai, the broker owner of Beach Bay Real Estate right here in Venice, Florida, with the real deal on real estate and lifestyle in South Sarasota County. And today I've got something to talk to you that can put real money in your pocket and helping you keep some of your home's equity. This summer, I am running what is called the Sizzling Summer Listing Promotion, where you will save money and pay a lower fee depending on how quickly your home goes under contract. So you'll pay a 1% listing fee if your home goes under contract in 30 days. If it goes under contract within 31 to 60 days, so between 1 and 2 months, you'll pay a 1.5% listing fee. If it takes longer than 60 days and up to 6 months, which is my standard exclusive right of sale listing agreement, you'll pay a 2% list fee. So what are the requirements for you to take advantage of this special promotion, which started on July 1st and runs through August 31st? As I already stated, I require a 6-month exclusive right of sale listing agreement, which is my standard of practice anyway, even outside of this special promotion. I don't take listings for 2 months or 3 months because, quite frankly, it's a waste of time. So if you're looking for that, I guess you'll have to find somebody else. I prepare a detailed comparative market analysis, a pricing analysis of your home, and your home must be priced within the range that I recommend. Now, for people who say, because, you know, it's been my rule of thumb always, people always, we all think our property is worth more than it is, whether it's our house, our car, our boat, our clothes, our jewelry. It's human nature. Oh, that's worth blah, blah, blah. But the reality is it's only worth blah, blah, blah if somebody's willing to pay it. And the data that I use is real data, hard numbers. We look at comparative properties of age, size, features, upgrades, and that's how we come up with what the price should be. This offer only applies to residential real estate. Okay, this is not for vacant land and it is not for commercial property. The buyer's agent commission is not included in this 1%. And I know there's been a lot of talk about what we do with buyer's agent commissions these days and whether or not the seller has to pay them. In the current market that we are seeing in Sarasota County and along the Gulf Coast, I would highly recommend that you offer compensation if you're a home seller to the buyer's agent. A buyer's agent can take their client or customer to new construction and get paid a commission for bringing their customer there. So new construction is your competition and you want to be on a level playing field with your competition. So that's the second piece, but we would, or the third piece, I should say, we will discuss the buyer's agent compensation on a case-by-case basis and depending on your particular circumstance. Your home must be located within my market area. I call it my triangle. It's got to be in Venice, Nokomis, Englewood, or Northport. And it includes Welland Park because Welland Park is actually in the city of Northport, although it has a Venice mailing address. So it's got to be within that market area. I don't like to drive around in circles or be in the car for 1 hour, one direction any more than anybody does. So that's my market area. If your property's in those areas, I can help you. So why would you want to work with me? First, I'm an independent broker. I'm not affiliated with any franchise, with any national corporations or real estate chains. I work independently, and I have, as an independent broker for the last 5 years, started Beach Bay Real Estate in 2020. And I've been in the real estate industry in Florida since 2015. So I'm in my 11th year now. And I also have 20 years in the financial planning industry. I have my certified financial planner certification. I've had that for a long time now. I maintain it. I keep it up to date. And even though I don't practice financial planning for compensation, I use the skills necessary for financial planning daily in the real estate industry. I help you stage and prep your home to get it ready for sale. I pay for and hire a professional photographer. I don't show up with my cell phone and take pictures of your house. I help you with recommendations on things you may need to do to organize, clean up, maybe touch up, make minor repairs. I will give you guidance and advice on that. I also provide a 3D tour. So that allows potential buyers, when your home is on the internet, to take a virtual walkthrough of your property, room to room, which is pretty helpful. I provide signage if it's allowed in your neighborhood or community. We put a real estate for sale sign on the property that says Beach Bay Real Estate. And I also provide an electronic lockbox. Nobody should be putting a combination lockbox on anybody's house in this day and age. Number one, it's not secure. Number two, you don't know who's opening that box. Once somebody gets the code, they can give it out to anybody else. It leads to problems. So I only use electronic boxes. They're called a super iBox, and that's what would go on your property. So if you're looking to sell your home this summer and you're within my market area, you've got between July 1, which is already a few days ago, and August 31 to take advantage of this promotion. Your listing agreement would have to be signed within that window. So if I can help you, you want personal, professional, fiduciary service, please give me a call. You can reach out. There'll be a way to contact me in the links below. Thanks very much and have a great day.